dear students. I welcome you all in chemistry class. Today I am going to discuss importance of pH in daily life. Now let's start with the role of pH in our digestive system. It is very interesting to note that hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach, which helps in the digestion of food. This hydrochloric acid does not harm to the stomach as it has a special lining of protective material. In fact, it kills the harmful bacteria that may enter into the stomach along with the food that we eat. And sometimes excess of acid is produced in our stomach due to various reasons. For example, whenever we take too much of some spicy food or whenever we take excess amount of food, then the amount of hydrochloric acid produced increases beyond the required limit. This causes sharp pain and irritation in the stomach, and this problem is called acidity, and it is cured by taking medicines called antacids. And students, antacids are a group of mild bases which have no toxic effects on the body. And students, always remember that whenever acid reacts with base, then it gives salt and water, and this reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So when an acid is treated with a base, then the base neutralizes the acid and destroys its acidity. So to cure the problem of acidity, we can take the basic substances, for example antacids. Okay students, being basic in nature, antacids react with excess of acid in stomach and neutralize it, and this gives relief to the person concerned. And the common antacid used for curing indigestion due to acidity are magnesium hydroxide, and it is commonly called milk of magnesia, sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is called as baking soda. Okay students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's move to another role of pH in everyday life, that is tooth decay caused by acids. The enamel on our teeth is the hardest substance in our body. Chemically, it is calcium phosphate, which is insoluble in water. But if the pH in our mouth falls below 5.5, then tooth decay starts. It happens if mouth is not properly washed after eating the food. For example, when we eat food containing sugar, then some sugar and food particles left in the mouth after eating, and bacteria present in our mouth break down the sugar and food particles into acid, or we can say that acid is produced in the mouth due to degradation of sugar and food particles, which lowers the pH of our mouth, and as a result tooth decay starts. And the best way to prevent tooth decay is to clean the mouth thoroughly after eating food. Many toothpastes contain bases to neutralize the mouth acid. So using the toothpastes which are basic for cleaning the teeth can neutralize the excess acid in mouth and prevent tooth decay. Or simply we can say that by using the toothpaste which are basic in nature, we can prevent tooth decay. Okay students? Now I am going to explain how a tarnished copper vessel regain its shine. A copper vessel gets tarnish due to formation of an oxide layer on its surface. When we rub lemon on the vessel, the surface is cleaned and the vessel begins to shine again. This is due to the fact that the copper oxide is basic in nature. It reacts with the acid present in the lemon to form a salt which is washed away with water. As a result, the layer of copper oxide is removed from the surface of vessel and the shining surface is exposed again. Okay students, I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you students.